In a galaxy far, far away, like past Uranus and around the corner, Captain Ricky the Raccoon soared through space in his modified garbage truck-turned-starfighter, the Millennium Dumpster. Equipped with twin blasters, a cup holder, and questionable brakes, Ricky was locked in an epic dogfight with Lord Chomps, the scaly Sith Gator, in his sleek ship, the Gatorade. "Give it up, Ricky," Chomps growled over the comms. "You can't outfly me." "Man, you fly like you parallel park, with your eyes closed and your ego open," Ricky snapped, barrel rolling through an asteroid shaped suspiciously like Samuel L. Jackson. Laser blasts lit up the stars like disco lights at a Wookiee rave. Ricky dodged one shot, then another, then spilled his space coffee. "Ah, that was hot, man. That's it. You brought claws to a trash fight." With a perfectly timed eject seat chicken wing maneuver, don't ask, Ricky launched a payload of banana peels and exploded the Gatorade. "Recycling is the force," Ricky whispered, cruising into hyperspace like a boss.